Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Abers, the Daily Trader. It is August 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, what else is new? Down 44 cents, 5.17%, closed at 807. Post-market, we are up by 2 cents. Red candle with absolutely no wick at the bottom. The sellers won that round quite good. Everything else, all of the indicators are in the tank. What else can I say? Not much. On the 1 hour chart, all of the indicators are also in the tank. And we are stabilizing a little bit around 807, I would say, or 805. Let's go back to the daily chart. So we are coming back down to this middle channel support right here. So we are coming back down to it. So we could be bouncing on it a little bit. We are not there yet. So it's going to take a couple of candles to be sure that we are bouncing there if we bounce. If not, the next destination is 750. Enough said. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.